when you interact with our chambers over here in Pakistan, it's very unfortunate, but it's something which one cannot ignore also. In Pakistan, we have two standards of business people. One is one which has done really good job, and you'll find them close to very international corporate levels, and they are functioning in a very different way. But there's a very big mass of people we have who are still, who have not risen to the level of such professional outcome which rest have, or which rest of the countries have globally. So it's a basic mindset we have, which we call is like a Seth mentality in Pakistan. The Seth mentality is not only in the business people, it's all around Pakistan. That's because of how we have come up in the last 40, 50 years. That's totally a different thing, but we still have such a very big chunk of people who think very basic. They want to portray themselves very basic, and they do work very basically. But they are business people. They go, they trade, they export, they have a mechanism of working. But seeing what globally is required currently, you need to market yourself a lot. And this is one component where Pakistan has been very weak in marketing itself. And that's where I really rely on you all. They might not be able to market themselves very well, but it's for you how to market them for those markets and other places. So what we're trying to do is, like through TIOs and through our TDAP structure that we have, we need to change that face a little bit. We need to give them a better face of marketing themselves, showing themselves, showcasing themselves. So one of the key aspects of your responsibility is also going to be brand Pakistan. So you have to identify such products, such people, such businesses, which can be brandable to that country and many other countries. And for that, you need to do a little bit of homework over here while reaching to your destination, and you'll be going over there. So it's very important to really brand Pakistan in a way that people start knowing Pakistan through certain names. We hardly know Pakistan through a few names. Either it's mango, a little bit of rice people talk about, or they say the soccer ball. And that soccer ball also, I know a lot of people, a lot of countries, they don't know about Pakistan making soccer balls for international events and all. And after that, the list is hardly not there. But if you talk about brands abroad, yes, there's so many brands that you can really identify. So we do supply for a lot of brands, but we still don't have our brands. But we do have brands, but they're very limited to Pakistan, as Pakistan is a big market itself. So majority of our manufacturers prefer staying in Pakistan because they are earning good from Pakistan, and they keep a very small portion of exports, which they do in very selected areas. So what we're trying to tell them is, like, whatever you are seeing in Pakistan, you have to now focus more on the exports also. And the reason we don't go for exports a lot is because the surplus export we don't have in Pakistan. Everything we make is consumed over here, and people are really happy doing business in Pakistan. The standards are not that high, and that's one reason we don't have high quality products, is that also, that the compliances and the standards in Pakistan are very low, and they cannot compete internationally. If our standards would have been a little better, like other countries have done, so their domestic level and the international level, there's a very little space of change. Where in Pakistan, the domestic product is quite low, and the international exportable products are very high. So this gap we are trying to improve, but at the same time, we'll find some of these people who you can identify and work on. We're trying to build up those KPIs in your portal, which we are trying to make really effective, but it's taking a little bit of time. So we should be giving you a platform in that portal where you can really highlight your things, paste your engagements, and whatever you have done in a week's period of time, quarterly, monthly time, and everything, so that the work gets easy for you rather than you doing it and saying it to us all the time. And हमारी आपको हमेशा support रहेगी. हम आपको तंग भी करेंगे, task भी देंगे, challenges भी देंगे. But at the same time, it's a teamwork. It's a teamwork which needs to be done. Ministry of Commerce, along with Secretary Commerce and all other are there, will be supporting you in anything you want from us. and at the same time try to keep a good relationship with your embassy over there. Normally हमने देखा है वो एक friction unnecessary create हो जाती है और फिर वो ऐसे लगता है कि there are two teams working and उसका भी mechanism पे अभी there is a committee which the Deputy Prime Minister is heading. उसको भी हम देख रहे हैं कि how to make it better, how to make this relationship and interaction rather than कि likes and dislikes पे हो, वो एक ऐसे मेरिट बेस पे हो कि जहां आपके चीज़ें आइडेंटिफाई हो और अगर आप काम कर रहे हैं तो किसी को आप पे शिकायत नहीं होनी चाहिए. नॉर्मली ऐसा होता है कि बहुत सारे लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे होते हैं लेकिन पर्सनल ग्रजेस डू कम इन. सो ट्राई टू मैनेज दैम, कीप योर सेल्फ एज अ टीम वर्क ओवर देयर ताकि ये पूरा मिशन एक सही काम की तरफ काम करे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.